Hello and welcome to Zimstick Media. Zimbabwean Gospel Fraternity is today celebrating one of its most beloved voices, Olivia Charamba, fondly known as Mai Charamba, as she marks her birthday. The award-winning songbird, who has for years ministered alongside husband and fellow gospel icon Pastor Charles Charamba, was honored with glowing tributes across social media platforms. A birthday poster shared online featured Mai Charamba smiling warmly against a bright orange backdrop with the words "Birthday Mai Olivia Charamba" boldly inscribed. Fans and fellow musicians flooded the comments section with messages of love, prayers, and appreciation for a contribution to gospel music. Mai Charamba has become a household name in Zimbabwean gospel through soulful hits that blend traditional rhythms with worship, many of them done in collaboration with her husband. The duo's music has not only dominated local airwaves, but has also earned them a strong following across the region. Beyond music, Mai Charamba is admired for her humility, dedication to ministry, and role as a mother and a mentor to many young women in and out of the church. As she celebrates another year of life, her fans have wished her continued blessings, good health, and more anointing in her music ministry. Zimstick Media joins the nation in wishing Mai Olivia Charamba a blessed birthday and many more years of impactful ministry. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.